Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open the Jazzcash app on your phone and log in with your PIN. Tap the QR code icon on the home screen to access the scanner. Allow camera permissions when prompted so the app can use your camera. Keep the phone stable while you prepare to scan the code for accurate reading. Make sure your phone camera is clean and free of smudges for best results. Confirm you are using the official Jazzcash app before proceeding to scan any codes. Center the QR code in the scanner and hold the phone 3 to 6 inches away. Keep the code fully visible inside the on-screen frame until the app reads it. After the code scans, enter the exact amount you want to pay into the amount field. Verify the displayed recipient name and merchant details before proceeding to avoid mistakes. Review any displayed fees and taxes, then tap Pay to confirm the Jazzcash QR transaction securely. Confirm the transaction with your PIN or biometric authentication when prompted by the app. Wait for the on-screen receipt that shows the transaction ID, merchant name, and exact time. Save or screenshot the receipt for your records and for any needed dispute resolution. If the scan fails, move into better lighting and hold the phone steady to improve recognition. Restart the Jazzcash app and try again if problems persist. In contact,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.